Hello everyone. So my Max box is here. I am so excited to open it. Just arrived today. It's so quick. I will be showing you. That's why I bought it online. I will be showing you how much the total is and how much discount I get by ordering them online. This is a pump, and it is all for 40 dirhams, and this is slides, and it's very comfortable, also it's very soft. And I got this for 50 dirhams, and this footwear mules I got it for 50 dirhams, and this flip flops I got it, it's very nice color, and I got it for 25 dirhams. Okay, for menswear, I ordered this jog pant. It's really nice, very nice fabric also, and the price is 65 dirhams. It's very nice, really very nice. And one more, this is a shirt for winters. It's a woven shirt. It is also very nice, and its price is 60 dirhams. Okay, and also I ordered this jog pants for men. It's also very nice, having the detailing over here, and this price is 55 dirhams. And in the last, this one, its price is 60 dirhams. It's also sweatshirt. This is the of worth 70 dirhams, and it's really very pretty. This one is also the hat and gloves set, which I bought for my girl, and this one is also for 29 dirhams. Okay, and it's super cute. You can see it's super cute. It comes with these gloves. Added this pouch also for organizing my makeup. So this is for 17 dirhams over here. Okay, this is for 17 dirhams. And also for kids, I ordered some things, hats with this. Okay, and what's the price for this? It's 40 dirhams for this bundle. Okay, it's for my baby. Okay, it's very cute. So for this, all of this, I was having a total bill of 561 dirhams, and after promotion, I got it for 388 dirhams in sale. But after applying the promo code, I got the further 15% off. Then my total bill was 308 dirhams. And in the last but not the least, after applying the 20% off on ADIB card, my total bill was shifted from 561 to 252 dirhams only. And I saved 309 dirhams. And that's the huge. And you will get this voucher also for your next shopping with this box. If you want to know more about the Dubai sales and promotion, don't forget to subscribe my channel.